Do you like eggs? Do you prefer your yolks hard or soft? Eggs can be cooked in many ways, like boiled, fried, scrambled, omelets, poached, and even in cakes and pies. They're a versatile ingredient in cooking that adds flavor and texture to dishes. But have you ever noticed that boiled eggs can crack during cooking, which can cause the whites or yolks to leak out? That's annoying, right? But there's a simple trick to prevent this. Add vinegar to the water. All you need is a common ingredient, white vinegar. Before boiling the eggs, make sure they're fresh by checking the expiration date if you bought them from a store instead of a farm. Then, gently place the eggs in a pot and add enough water to cover them, being careful not to let them touch the bottom of the pot. During the boiling process, add a little vinegar. Any kind will do. According to culinary science expert Heinz Wuth, vinegar speeds up the coagulation of proteins and seals the eggshell. This prevents the whites and/or yolks from leaking out if there are cracks. And the best part is, this trick doesn't change the taste of the eggs. So next time you're boiling eggs, remember the vinegar trick to prevent cracks in the shells. Did you like this tip? Let us know what you think if you try it.